Hello, fourth grade students. This is your third spelling list in the syllables and affixes book. We are now looking at sort 14, and we will still be focusing on the vowel, consonant, vowel, and the vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel patterns. We are also going to look for patterns that include a long vowel or a short vowel. As a reminder, when a vowel is long, the vowel says its name. You're going to need 3 highlighters to use for this sort. Let's start with the first header. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a long vowel sound. I'm going to highlight this block by filling this in because this is the first header that we are going to pay attention to. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a long sound. The example that comes with this is the word human. Human. I have my vowel, consonant, vowel, and it has a long sound. So I'm going to highlight that the same color. There are 6 other words that belong in this category that have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern that has a long sound. The next word that I can find is pilot. Pilot. I have I-L-O. That follows the vowel, consonant, vowel pattern with a long sound. So I am also going to highlight that for this category. Another word we have is frozen. O, frozen. I have my vowel, consonant, vowel, and it's a long vowel sound. So I'm going to highlight that as well. My next word is student. Student. That is a vowel, consonant, vowel, long vowel sound. So I'm going to highlight that. The next word we have is humor. Humor. You hear the U sound. Humor. We have our vowel, consonant, vowel, and that falls under that category as well. The next word we have is lazy. You hear the A sound, lazy, lazy. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a long vowel sound. Going to highlight lazy. And the last word for this category is music. You hear the U sound, music. Vowel, consonant, vowel. I'm going to highlight that purple as well. Now we're going to move on to our second header. The vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, very similar, but it has a short sound. So I'm going to pick a new color to use. This time maybe I'll use yellow. And the example that they give us is never, never, right here in the header. Never. There are 10 words that belong in this pattern. Let's start with river. River. I-V-E follows that pattern and it's short. River. Your next word is visit. Visit. Vowel, consonant, vowel, a short sound. Visit. Your next word is wagon. Wagon. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a short pattern. Wagon. Planet is your next word. Planet. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a short sound. It's not planet with a long sound, it's short. Planet. Your next word is lemon. Lemon. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a short sound. We also have finish. Finish. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a short sound. Finish. We also have 7. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a short sound. The next word is present. Present. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a short sound. And we have second. Second. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a short vowel sound. And our last word is minute. Minute. Vowel, consonant, vowel with a short sound. Our last category is vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel with a long vowel sound. So I'm going to pick my third color and use the header example to follow the pattern. Reason. Reason. The first vowel is long. Vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel with a long sound. Reason. The remaining words, let's see if they fit the pattern, the 5 that are left. Meeting. Vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel. Meeting. A long vowel sound. Peanut. Peanut. Vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel with a long vowel sound. We also have leader. Leader. Vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel with a long vowel sound. We also have sneaker. You hear the long vowel. Vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel, sneaker. And your last word, easy. Vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel with a long vowel sound. In the sort, you do not have any oddballs. There are only 3 headers: vowel, consonant, vowel with a long sound, vowel, consonant, vowel with a short sound, and vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel with a long sound. So just as before, you are going to be presented with your test that looks like this. You will have your 3 headers, and you will need to write 15 of your spelling words correctly and sort them correctly. For example, if I give you the word lizard, like the animal, there is a lizard in the backyard. You are first going to spell the word lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D. I am then going to find the pattern starting with the first vowel. And I see with the I have vowel, consonant, vowel. So it's either the first category or the second category, but I need to decide, am I hearing a long sound or a short sound? Lizard, that would be short. So I know that I would put a star in this category. Lizard. That's it for your 3rd spelling test. Come back to this video if you need support and raise your hand if you have any questions. Good luck!